If you're still waiting on Sora 2 or don't want to spend a $200 premium, then this is for you. I've been testing out Higgsfield's new release, WAN 2.5, which is a video AI generation model, and it has already changed the way I create videos. You can start from full HD talking head videos with clean lip sync, animated photos that look alive, and add ready clips, all inside a single platform. For me, that's seriously a game changer because it eliminates the need of having multiple subscriptions and you can have it all in a single platform. Now, if you haven't heard about Higgsfield before, Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing companies in the AI creator space, and they have a clear mission: to build the most creator-friendly platform possible. WAN 2.5 is their latest release, and it's built around the type of content that we actually need to produce. Talking head videos, photo animations, polished promos, and even short VFX videos all in one place without bouncing between tools or other subscriptions and waiting for features that never ship. It feels like they built this update for real work creators, not just demos and short videos like Sora. There is also a limited time offer which is worth talking about early, and right now you can unlock unlimited access to all the Higgsfield's best models, including WAN, King, Seedstream, Seeddance, Minmax, and Nano Banana from Google. You have until Friday, October 10th at midnight Pacific time to claim the offer from the link in the description down below. After that, the bundle closes, and if you're serious about experiencing or even scaling up your content, it's a strong deal because it removes all the generation limits that you have with other suppliers instead of having to pay for 5 to 6 different models. You paste in a script, pick a voice, and just click on generate. The key difference is that WAN does add voice lip sync and camera movements and even sound effects in a single render, so you don't need to line things up afterward or fix mismatched lip syncs. And for me, that actually saves me hours. The results are smooth, natural, and immediately usable, which is actually a really helpful feature, especially when doing product shots. And next up is photo animation. This is one of my favorite features because you can actually take a portrait, whether it's a celebrity image or a stylized image or even your own design or your own picture, and bring it to life. The platform supports styled prompts, internet native language, and even meme culture. Yes, you can create memes on this. That matters because many AI tools can break even if you try to actually just use some casual slang or creative references, but WAN 2.5 actually just gets it, and it's not that censored as other AI models from OpenAI and Google. And then there are also ad creatives. We all know how important speed is when making promos or testing campaigns or comparing products, even doing product shots. And I tested it by dropping in a product shot and a simple line of text, and WAN built a cinematic clip with real camera motion and polished detail. And I didn't even have to worry about aspect ratios because the platform lets you export in 3 formats. You have 9:16, which is for TikTok, Reels, even YouTube Shorts, 1:1 for Instagram feed like the square videos, and 16:9, which is the aspect ratio that you're seeing right now on YouTube. That alone makes it a really practical choice for anyone running social content or as a content creator. And on top of that, you can play with VFX. That's one of my favorite features, honestly. You have shorebirds, particles, glowing effects, and even transitions that will look native on TikTok and viral edits. This might sound like a small thing, but when you are actually chasing engagement, these are some of the touches that would really bring in your audience into the video and will keep them captivated up until the end of the video. And the technical upgrades also deserve attention. WAN 2.5 now supports Full HD 1080p output. Clips can be up to 10 seconds long, which is great for both Reels and Shorts. And again, you get 3 aspect ratios out of the box, and that means more flexibility and less editing afterwards. And every time I exported the videos, the results look sharp, cinematic, and ready to post. And I'm gonna be putting up a couple of examples right here.
We're not alone. Damn, it's crazy that half of us is canceled now.
Now let's compare this with Sora. I've used both, and Sora has a lot of hype and it can produce amazing clips, yes. And also Sora 2 came out, so we still gotta try that on a separate video. But here's the reality. Access to it is slow, it's limited, and not only that, it's currently available only in the US. So not everyone can actually benefit from Sora 2 anyways. Higgsfield's WAN 2.5, on the other hand, is ready today, and when I say ready, I mean it. It lines up voice and motion on the go, and it understands cultural prompts and strong with stylized looks. And for daily content, speed and access matter more than just hype, and that's where WAN wins. So you might be asking, who is WAN 2.5 for? If you're making videos, ads, faceless tutorials, music teasers, and also quick promos, it's right in your zone. However, if you're trying to shoot feature films or like really long-form videos, this isn't for you yet. I mean, it's not there yet. There's not a single AI model that can actually shoot an entire movie in production, but creators actually need to publish often, like reel creators, shorts creators, and even test ideas daily on running campaigns quickly. This is actually a sweet spot for all the AI tools that are available at the moment. And don't forget, for the limited time bundle, unlimited access to One, King, Seed Dream, Seed Dance, Minimax, and Nano Banana is only available up until the 10th of October at midnight Pacific time, and after that, it's gone. So if you want to push your workflow and also get a really nice discount, you can go click in the link in the description down below. I'll also share a quick start guide with settings I've been using to get clean results from all the WAN videos that I've created so far, and I'd really like to know what AI models do you want me to test next. Drop your prompts in the comments down below and I'll write them in the next video. And I'm gonna be testing more of the capabilities of Higgsfield WAN 2.5, and also I'm gonna be comparing it to Sora 2 later on in a couple of days after I've been testing it out even more. But in short, WAN 2.5 actually replaced Sora in my workflow, and yeah, I don't have access to Sora 2 here in the UK because OpenAI, please. I mean, we need access so I can test out these models. But at the moment, with WAN 2.5, my workflow is faster, it's easier, and it's designed for creators. If you're ready to stop waiting and start creating, now is the time to try it out. And if you haven't already, go and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other videos like this. And I'll see you all in the next video.